Welcome to the top best. The best camera cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, tools in any photographer's arsenal, ensuring your precious lenses and camera bodies remain pristine for capturing those breathtaking moments with unparalleled clarity and sharpness. Neglecting proper maintenance can lead to frustrating smudges, dust specks, and even permanent damage, compromising the quality of your images and the longevity of your expensive equipment, making a dedicated cleaning kit an indispensable investment for every camera owner. Number 5. Care Touch Lens Wipes. Introducing Care Touch Lens Wipes, your perfect solution for crystal clear vision. These individually wrapped wipes make cleaning your eyeglasses a breeze, wherever you are. Our pre-moistened wipes are designed to be gentle on all your optical devices. They effectively remove smudges and dirt without leaving any streaks. Whether it's your eyeglasses, camera lenses, or sunglasses, these wipes are safe and effective. Enjoy pristine clarity for all your visual needs. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making them incredibly convenient to carry in your pocket, purse, or car. Maintain a clear view anytime, anywhere. With 210 wipes in each pack, you'll have a long-lasting supply for all your cleaning needs. Keep your lenses spotless with this economical choice. Trust Care Touch to keep your optical devices in top condition. Experience the difference of a truly clean lens. What we like. These wipes are individually wrapped and pre-moistened for ultimate convenience. They are gentle on surfaces and highly portable for on-the-go cleaning. If you need quick, no-fuss cleaning for your eyeglasses, sunglasses, or camera lenses while traveling or at work, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. They are packaged well, so I haven't had problems with them drying out. Generally, there's enough cleaning fluid to clean my glasses or phone screen thoroughly but not too much to keep them from drying quickly. These are perfect for cleaning glasses, camera lens, phone screen or computer screen. Number 4. 14-in-1 Camera Lens Cleaning Kit. Introducing our 14-in-1 Camera Lens Cleaning Kit, designed for mirrorless and DSLR cameras. It includes everything you need for a thorough clean. This kit features a lens blower, cleaning pen, brushes, cloths, lens paper, and more. It's packed with professional-grade tools for optimal results. Our microfiber cloths and non-toxic cleaner ensure a scratch-free finish. Achieve crystal-clear images without streaks or marks. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient storage box. Easily access the tools you need, wherever your photography takes you. The included rocket blower effectively removes dust and debris from your lenses and camera sensor. Keep your equipment in top condition. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This is a 14-in-1 kit offering a complete solution for camera cleaning. It guarantees zero scratches with its alcohol-free formula and features a unique rocket-shaped blower for efficient dust removal. If you are a photographer who needs a thorough and safe cleaning for your DSLR or mirrorless camera and lenses, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. Took the smudge right off and now I have a good quality cleaning kit forever. The pen-like thingy that has a brush that comes out on one side and a cleaner on the other is my favorite thing in the kit. The little air puffer is awesome for cleaning super delicate things. The lens pen and air blower are excellent, and the microfiber cloths are soft and effective. Number 3. Patelai Camera Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Patelai Camera Cleaning Kit, your all-in-one solution for pristine optics. This comprehensive kit ensures your photography equipment stays in top condition. Our innovative lens cleaning pen brush features 3 distinct cleaning parts. It effectively cleans your lens, removing dust without causing damage, thus preserving picture quality and extending the life of your lens. The included air blaster is crafted from comfortable rubber, designed to deliver powerful streams of air. Its soft tip safely blows away debris from delicate surfaces without causing scratches. This kit combines a blower and a brush in a convenient 2-in-1 design. It's perfect for removing dust from objects, especially in macro photography, ensuring sensitive camera parts are cleaned without direct contact. Beyond cameras, this cleaning tool set is ideal for a wide range of items. Use it on lenses, phones, computers, musical instruments, and more to keep them dust-free and functioning optimally. With sufficient tools for use and backup, this kit makes your photography work smoother. Ensure your valuable equipment is always ready for the perfect shot. What we like. This kit includes a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning pen and a dust-free air blaster. Its wide range of applications makes it suitable for various optical devices and electronics. If you're looking for a multifunctional cleaning set that can handle not just cameras but also telescopes, phones, and more, this is a great option for its versatility. What people say. Perfect tools for cleaning slides and negatives. Well-designed products. These tools make it easy to remove dust from film and slides, saving you time later. The small rocket-type blower is the star of the show. It is just right for on-the-go size and power. Much more portable than the one I use in my office, while still providing a good blast. Number 2. Bebird Earsight Plus R37R Ear Cleaning Camera. Experience a new level of ear care with our uniquely designed flexible otoscope. Its bendable nature conforms to your ear's natural shape for easier inspection and cleaning. Enjoy a crystal clear view with its advanced HD camera, offering stunning visual clarity. Your safety and comfort are paramount. The soft silicone coating prevents any scratches, while the secure spiral tip ensures it stays in place. Built-in safety features prevent over-insertion, protecting your eardrums during use. Say goodbye to uncomfortable ear cleaning. These precision tweezers, guided by a camera, gently remove wax without irritating your skin. They are ideal for sensitive ears, offering a gentle and pain-free solution. This all-in-one kit is perfect for home and travel, suitable for both wet and dry ear cleaning. It even includes a kit for ear, nose, and throat checks, making at-home examinations simple. Its compact case makes it easy to take anywhere. Make ear cleaning an enjoyable experience for the whole family. Adults can find stress relief, while children will be fascinated and less fearful of the process. It's designed to be fun for everyone. Crafted for durability and long-term use, this product offers reliable performance. We are committed to providing excellent support should you encounter any issues. What we like. This product is a visual ear cleaning camera kit designed for safety and comfort. It features pain-free tweezers and a flexible otoscope for easy inspection. If you're seeking a modern, gentle, and effective way to clean ears for yourself or your children, especially if you dislike traditional methods, this innovative tool offers a clear view and a comfortable experience. What people say. It comes self-contained in a travel box. The attachments are nicely stored in a subcompartment tray which keeps everything organized and clean nice. The light is very bright on the device. Number 1. 60-pack microfiber cleaning cloths. Experience unparalleled clarity with our premium microfiber cloths. Designed for delicate surfaces, they leave no streaks or scratches. These cloths are crafted from high-quality microfiber to gently lift away dust and smudges. They are perfect for all your sensitive electronics and eyewear. From eyeglasses to camera lenses and screens, these cloths handle it all. Keep your essential devices pristine with ease. With 60 cloths in each pack, you'll always have one on hand. This generous supply ensures you're prepared for any cleaning need. Specifically sized at 6 by 7 inches, they are ideal for cleaning screens of all types. Enjoy a spotless view every time. Available in classic black, gray, and light blue, these cloths are as stylish as they are functional. Maintain your belongings with a touch of elegance. What we like. You get a large pack of 60 microfiber cleaning cloths in various colors. They are soft, effective for screen cleaning, and lint-free. If you need a consistent supply of high-quality cleaning cloths for multiple devices like glasses, screens, and cameras, this bulk pack offers excellent value and performance. What people say. The cloths themselves are soft and effective. They clean well without leaving streaks, and I have not had any issues with scratching, even on delicate surfaces like glasses or camera lenses. The microfiber cloth is smooth and silky. They can also wipe your phone, iPad, or computer screen. They are soft microfiber and clean my glasses just fine. Sturdy enough that it hasn't ripped while using. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.